Blueberry! Blueberry's first time in the bus. Blueberry, want to see the bus? Let's see. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, it's nice, right? What do you think? I wanted to capture that cute moment. Look how cute you are. Little Blueberry. Come here, come here. Yeah. Oh. We'll go on an adventure maybe one day. Alrighty. Say bye. Say bye. Can I have a high five? Can I sit? Not. Yep. Here we have the biggest hole. And then a few more back there. I'm not even sure how long it's been like this. I imagine a year or more. Luckily it's an aluminum bus. I had 2 pieces of wood just last night, but it still got wet. I've got everything I need at this point. The main thing that's holding me back is my compressor so small that the air tool doesn't really keep up. I mainly got that for work. We have a big air compressor at work, but I'm thinking for myself have a get a Milwaukee one. So this one, he did some work and had this edge on there. I think the hole was bigger, and so he made this aluminum extra piece to go around. The other 2 don't. They have just like right out, and then some residue. I scraped off a lot of it. I still need to get more off. The other one's kind of the same way. So, got everything I need. I got the tape, really sticky tape. This stuff to prime the surface. The adhere stuff. Look at that guy. We got the fan. A little crank or like a twist knob on there that lifts it up with the fan. Clear one, the big clear one, and then a tinted one. And so back here is going to be a more tinted, and then up here will be clear. I'm going to make like a 2-pane style thing where the dome is up, and then on the surface where it's level it will be pane of glass. And I'm not sure what it's going to be with the brim, like how to hold the glass up there. So it'd be cool to see how it turns out. Yeah, alright, that's about it for now. Yeah, it's a little wobbly before.
I told you how I just forget.
Yeah.
It's a little looser, but not real loose. It's pretty tough and rigid.
Okay, we have the skylight mounted. Yeah. Don't mind the not accurate craftsmanship with the carpentry. That will all get covered. The gap I wish here was a little bit smaller, but that's okay. It'll get filled with wood filler, and a pane of glass is going to go here, and then the finishing wood for all this is going to end about there or so. Most of it won't be seen. So yeah, that feels good to have that thing mounted, and I like the wood put in there. The roof itself is pretty flexible, so I didn't really, I like the wood better. Adds a lot of rigidity to this area, like for that one. I'm gonna add boards like that all the way down, and then have a center area with lights behind it. That's the plan, at least. We'll see how it goes, but I know I wanted to do this. Next step is to, let's see if I could just stick my hand through the window. So it's mounted, and then I'm going to use a bunch of this tape. It had like an odd steel, or not steel, aluminum. The hole was too big, and so the last guy added this aluminum thing. I think it was actually one of the old window frames. He put that up there, and I cut it to size, and so now I need to kind of tape to the outside of it. So it's getting there. No rain in here for, well, except for over there and over there. Here will be dry, so that's cool. And then after that, I'm excited to give it a good cleaning in here. Blow it all out and sweep it, and yeah. Alright, that's that. Ben and I had a good day. We put all these patches on there. Went through and sanded around every single one, then used the little and used they're small holes. Some of them I double patched, but I figure that will be enough. And then in the back there was a bunch of holes that I don't know what that stuff is, but not messing with that. We're just gonna cover that up. Yeah, that's just the roof patch. This morning, I got the skylight put on. So there it is. Cosmetically, the outside's not that great. I need some wood filler in there, finish up the edges, and then the boards that I'll use with the ceiling will be blocking most of that. So, what's that? Yeah, that's was the day. The other thing was I used the air blower and blew everything out really good. So that was nice. Here's the top. So yeah.